we are from Truemaths, and in this video we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 14.2. And in this question, blood groups of 30 students is given to you, and you have to represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students? After that, you have to tell which is the most and which is the rarest blood group common in these students. So there are 30 students. So if you want to convert this into a distribution table, so there are two things. The first is the blood groups and the second thing is number of students. So now first of all, if you look at this data, you will find there are 4 blood groups. First is A, second is B, third is O, and fourth is AB. Okay, so the first group is blood group is A, second is B, third is O, and fourth is AB. Now let's find how many students are there having blood group as A. So it's always advisable that whenever you are counting these numbers, always put a mark on those which have been already counted, because the data is too large, you might miss some data while counting the numbers. So what you have to do, you have to mark those data which you have already counted. Okay, so this is the first, because I am counting there's number of students for having blood group A. So this is the first student, this is second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 students having blood group A. Similarly, I have to find the students having blood group B. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 students having blood group as B. Now let's come for O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 students having blood group as O. Now at last, let's count for AB. So 1, 2, 3, and so there are 3 students having blood group as AB. Now let's count let's see whether I have missed any data or not. So I have counted each and every data because I have marked each data. So I haven't missed anything. So you will find that this is the frequency distribution table, and at last if you want to total it, so it will be equals to 30, because the total number of students were 30. Let's count them. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. So 0, carry 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So there should be, so obviously the total number of students should be 30 for this particular question. So this is how you can convert a simple data into frequency distribution table. And the next question we will see how to represent these in frequency distribution. Thank you.